Hello everyone, I want to show you the DSC 126 HUN deep chest freezer of SMAT. This is a small sized chest freezer with a width of 53.5 centimeters, a depth of 56 centimeters, and a height of 84.5 centimeters. It's made from metal, and the logo here can be customized because we are also providing OEM service. You can see down there, you can see the drainage area and also the mechanical temperature control. Let's take a look inside it. As you can see, the interior is made from aluminum and it has this little basket here where you can put your favorite products. Down there you can see the drainage pipe area, and this device requires manual defrosting, so once in a while you turn it off to defrost the built-up frost. And all the melted water will just go outside that drainage area. It's very simple. So if you're interested in this chest freezer, please feel free to contact us.